My research project started off as my honors thesis, but I definitely was interested in the adolescent age group and college dating culture since it's what I'm going through, it's what my peers are going through, so I was definitely interested in seeing what we're doing for it. And a big trend I saw was using social media and the concept of sliding into DMs. Sliding into DMs is when one user uses the direct messaging application within a social media app and they basically just send a private message to one other person with the intent of some sort of romantic or sexualized outcome, whether they're looking for a relationship or a hookup, but it's just using it to connect with someone on a much deeper level.
When I found out that this was being used this way and the phrase of sliding into DMs and social media was so concrete, it did make perfect sense. It is one of those things that's always interesting to do in class, to try to explain to students that their generation didn't invent casual sex, they didn't invent hookups, but they do invent a new way to do it. They do invent a way that is unique for their generation.
So when social media apps were created, it was just for communication and like sending pictures or messaging, and then all of a sudden we're using it to gain the interest and interact with other people on a more romantic or sexual level. And I guess for it to be used that way, it must have not been helpful doing it in person or doing it on a dating app. So we're finding new ways that are more comfortable for us, since face-to-face is sometimes a little more scary than people think.